emergent weather message for the following county, Medina, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Medina County in northeastern Ohio until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Lodi, or 11 miles southwest of Medina, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lodi around 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Westfield Center and Burbank.